Welcome to this explainer. If you're absolutely exhausted by that traditional 9 to 5 grind, where every single hour of your time is strictly tied to a paycheck, well, you've definitely landed in the right place. Today, we're going to break down 3 highly structured, low-cost paths to building your very own income streams right from scratch. Just imagine this for a second. What if you woke up tomorrow, grabbed your phone off the nightstand, and saw money deposited into your account without ever actually clocking in for a shift? I know, it sounds exactly like one of those cheesy late-night infomercial fantasies. But the truth is, as we head into 2026, this internet-driven reality is becoming completely normal for thousands of people who are leveraging smart digital assets. Now, the whole passive income world is, frankly, massive. But for this explainer, we are strictly focusing on zero inventory, low-cost methods only. We're totally bypassing those heavy-hitting strategies like dividend investing that require massive upfront capital. Because let's be real, who has that kind of cash lying around on day one? Instead, we're looking exclusively at beginner-friendly paths, things you can launch straight from your living room sofa with virtually zero financial risk. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the reality of passive income. Then we'll hit our 3 paths: affiliate marketing, print on demand, and digital products. And finally, we'll wrap up with the true cost of getting all this off the ground.
All right, let's jump straight into path 1, affiliate marketing.
So, at its core, affiliate marketing is basically just promoting products or services using a special, unique link, and then earning a commission whenever someone buys through it. The absolute beauty of this model isn't just the commission itself. It's the extreme leverage. You don't have to create the product, you're not dealing with angry customer service emails, and you definitely don't process returns. You are literally just the bridge between the buyer and the seller. Now, what's really interesting here is how beautifully straightforward the mechanics are. Step 1, pick a product. Step 2, share the link in your content. Step 3, earn a commission. For example, imagine you buy a new laptop and you just absolutely love it. You shoot a quick, honest review on TikTok and drop your affiliate link in the bio. Bam! You've picked the product and shared the link. Now, every single time someone buys through that link, you earn a cut. And think about this. If that video happens to go viral, those commissions could roll in month after month for work you literally did exactly one time. You might be wondering, okay, where do I actually find these products to promote? Well, there are massive established platforms built exactly for this. Places like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore24, Impact, and ShareASale. You just sign up, grab your special link, and start recommending things through your YouTube channel, a blog, or an email newsletter. But listen, the real secret ingredient here, it's pure trust. People are only going to buy when your content genuinely solves a problem for them. Moving right along to path 2, print on demand. And this perfectly illustrates why this path is so great for creative beginners. A traditional physical business usually means having cardboard boxes stacked all the way to your living room ceiling. It means fighting with packing tape, right? And sweating in long post office lines after dropping thousands of dollars on upfront inventory. Well, print on demand completely eliminates the warehouse, the shipping headaches, and the upfront costs. Platforms like Printify or Redbubble literally only print and ship the product after a customer pays for it. So you design it once, and then automated fulfillment takes over. Robots and algorithms handle the whole shebang. The real key to winning with print on demand is tapping into trendy and emotional designs. Think about it. People aren't usually just buying a plain mug or a t-shirt. They're buying a funny quote that matches their personality. Think pet lover shirts, gym motivation, gaming memes, or patriotic themes. You want to target their passion. One single viral dog mom hoodie design can keep generating sales for years. And your upfront cost, it was essentially just the hour or so it took you to create the design.
Let's keep this momentum going with path 3, digital products.
Now, if you thought print on demand was efficient, wait until you see these profit margins. Digital products are practically the holy grail of online business because you create the asset exactly once and then you can sell an infinite number of copies. And the options out there are truly endless. We're talking highly profitable digital products like ebooks, online courses, Notion templates, packages of AI prompts, photo presets, printable planners, you name it. Are you really good at budgeting? Sell a Notion template for that. Great at prompting AI? Package those prompts up and sell them. You can literally spin up a storefront on platforms like Gumroad or Shopify in a single afternoon. 24/7. That's the magic number here. When you launch a digital product, your store never ever closes. A customer halfway across the globe can buy your brand new AI business guide at 2 in the morning while you are fast asleep. There are absolutely zero shipping costs and zero physical inventory to worry about. The fulfillment, it's just an instant download link. And that means your profit margin sits right around 100%. That is a real game changer. Which brings us to our final section, the true cost, the upfront effort. So here is the crucial reality check we all need to hear. Passive income is not magic. Look, there are more than enough get-rich-quick schemes floating around the internet, and let me be super clear, none of the 3 paths we just talked about are going to make you a millionaire overnight. The true cost of a low-cost startup is your upfront sweat equity. Building that genuine trust for affiliate marketing, that takes time. Crafting really valuable digital products, that takes serious patience. You are putting in the hard work right now so that the asset you build can pay you passively later on. But why put in all that upfront effort in the first place? Well, because the ultimate goal here isn't necessarily about buying flashy luxury cars. It's really about buying back your freedom. We're talking freedom of time, so you can actually dictate your own schedule, freedom of location, allowing you to run a successful business from a laptop literally anywhere on Earth, and absolutely most importantly, freedom from constantly depending on just one single paycheck. We've covered a lot today: affiliate marketing, print on demand, and digital products. But here is the absolute most important question I can ask you. Are you going to continue trading your precious time for a single paycheck? Or which of these passive income ideas will you start building today? The reality is clear, guys. The earlier you start, the faster your future changes. So I challenge you. Pick just one path, leverage the power of the internet, and start building your freedom. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.